Guys, this will be a tutorial to make a small beaded wallet like this one, but I made this one and I made a mistake for it, so I'm going to make another one to show you after the tutorial. But this will be the size of the wallet that we'll be making for today, and we're going to need some materials for it, some acrylic beads of the color of your choice. So the dominant color would be plenty for this one. Then we're going to use some green ones, a white one, and some colors for the flowers. So just going to start the tutorial, and what we're going to do is we have to cut about 2 meters of this nylon string, and the nylon string that I'm using is the Shark nylon monoline, and the size is 0.50 millimeters. It is 15 pounds and it is 37 meters. So we're going to start by putting 4 red beads on our right string, and then we're going to silikop. Silikop is a term we use in Tagalog or Filipino, wherein you pass through the hole of the beads so that the right string will be going to the left and then the left string is going to the right. So that is what is called silikop, and we're going to use that term frequently as we go through this tutorial. After that, since this is the first cluster, we're going to put together this string, and then we're going to pull the silikop beads to that. So your right string will be as long as your left string. It differs as you work with the project, but they are supposed to be not really the same length but somewhat proportion. So after that cluster of 5, we're going to make a cluster of 6. So we will make the foundation cluster for the wallet. So in order to do a cluster of 6, we're going to string 2 red beads for the right and 2 red beads for the left, and then we're going to silikop a red one. So for this project, there will be a leaf part, so we have to be careful with that because actually this is the wrong one. I'm going to show you how to put the leaf part next after this foundation. So we have done so far 2 clusters, and we're going to make 5 more of the cluster of 6, and I'm going to show you after that. Okay, so now I have done 7 clusters, but the middle part will be 6 clusters of 6. So I have the 5 cluster, the cluster of 5 for the first one, and then 6 of the cluster of 6, 2, 4, 6. So now we're going to the last part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to string two beads on the right and 1 on the left. So it will be pretty hard to show you because of the string is very long, so I'm going to show you as much as I can. And we're going to silikop 1 red bead in order for it to be on the side part. So for this part, we're going to put 2 clusters of 5. So we're going to make the first one first. So we're going to string 3 on our right string, and then we're going to silikop 1 in order for us to go around the wallet. So this wallet is going to be this base or foundation cluster, and then this will be the first row wherein we're going around it. And we don't have the leaves part yet for this, so the next thing to do after that is we're going to insert our left string to the adjacent 2 beads right there, you can see, and then we're going to pull. So we have this 3 beads, 1 2 3. So in order for it to be a cluster of 6, since that is going to be our next, that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to string 2 beads on the right and then saliko 1, and that is 2 beads on the right and then saliko, and then we're going to do this several times up until we're on this part, up until we're in this part only. So I'm going to show you this and after, and I'm going to show you once more. So what we do is we insert the left string to the adjacent 2 beads. Okay, sorry, the camera is losing focus. So we have the 3 beads. So we're going to string 2 red ones on the right string, and then we're going to saliko. And I'm hoping that you can see, because I'm using a lacy bracket to put this camera, and I'm somewhat jiggling it as I'm working on this. So that's what we're going to do for the next 1 2 3 4 5 clusters. Okay, I'm going to show you after that.